Hey everybody, this is Ben with Diesel Power Products coming at you with a Diesel Talk video about the Carli adjustable track bar. So if you've lifted or leveled your truck, you may have noticed that the axle actually gets shifted towards the driver's side. That is because the stock track bar is built to accommodate a stock height truck. Well, you lifted your truck, which means in all actuality you've pushed that axle down, which means you've moved it along its path of travel. So to correct that and recenter that axle underneath the truck, you need to do an adjustable track bar. Our favorite track bar, hands down, is going to be from Carli Suspension. Let's talk about this axle and the trucks that it fits. So this is going to be for your radius arm Ram trucks. That's going to be the 2013 3500s and up and the 2014 2500s and up. It's very important to notice that. There's a difference in the 12 to 13 there, or 13 to 14 with the Ram trucks. Remember, radius arm Ram trucks, this part number will work for it. Let's talk about the construction of this thing. This is going to be an 1.5 inch diameter, 3/8 inch wall tube. This thing is not subtle by any means. This is a very beefy track bar. Carli spared no expense making sure this is going to be the highest quality product they can put out, and it looks the part. This is a very high quality item here. One of the other things I really like about this track bar is they went above and beyond with the lock nut here. It's what they call their JAMMIT nut. So what happens here is most normal adjustable track bars will have a nut here that as you tighten it down, it cinches only against the threads and the body of the track bar. Carli said, nah, we want to do better. So they've added an extra piece in here. This is a custom machine item, so that not only as it jams against the threads, but it will then squeeze the tie rod, which is going to give you an extra bite on there to make sure it doesn't adjust on you or start walking on you. Another thing you'll notice here is this little bracket right here. On the radius arm trucks, to make sure that Carli could have the best geometry they could possibly put on that truck for the track bar, they had to actually slightly relocate the stock steering stabilizer. That's where this bracket comes in. No big deal if you got a steering stabilizer in stock location, this bracket will work for you, no problem. So let's talk about connections on this track bar. On the axle side, as you can see here, they have a heavy duty Heim joint. Great item, very, very sturdy. Now on the frame side here, behind this dust shield, Carli has their Cub, which is a captured uniball. So inside this part here, there's basically a 7/8 inch uniball in there that's captured, which is also rebuildable with behind that snap ring. So not only are you going to get a much, much better feel out of the truck for having that nice sturdy joint in there, but should it ever wear out, it can be completely replaced. And as always, all Carli products are made right here in the USA, and they come with full color instructions, which makes install a breeze. You won't ever feel left out in the dark. If you have any questions on this or want to make sure that it fits your truck, don't hesitate, reach out. We've got several avenues. You can hit us up on the social medias. You can give us a call. You can click online, or you can use the chat feature on the website, www.dieselpowerproducts.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.